Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with WAG. For dog walking bookings, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with WAG. For dog walking bookings, first, open the WAG app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, launch it and create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. Follow the prompts to complete your profile, including providing your dog's information. Make sure to verify your email address if prompted. Next, navigate to the home screen of the app. Look for the Get Started button or a similar prompt to initiate your booking process. You will be prompted to enter the details for your dog walking service. This includes selecting your desired date and time, as well as the duration of the walk. Choose whether you would like a single walk or set up a recurring walking schedule. After entering all the necessary details, review your selections for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the Next button to proceed. You may now select your preferred walker based on their profiles, ratings, and availability. Take a moment to read through their reviews to find the best match for your dog. After selecting a walker, confirm your booking details and proceed to payment. Ensure that your payment information is entered correctly to avoid any issues. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation for your booking. At this point, you should check your notifications for updates about your scheduled walk. You can also use the app to communicate with your chosen walker before the appointment. Finally, enjoy the peace of mind knowing that your dog will be well taken care of on their walk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.